Hey, first deal done fast. First deal done fast. Hey, if you're in first deal done fast, I need you to be in Knoxville November 6th through the 9th here at the Mill and Mine building in downtown Knoxville, because we're going to be talking all about making first deal done fast actually come to life. All right, there's going to be 118 of us right through those doors on November 6th, 2019, and I want you to be part of us. Nothing online, nothing that we talk about, no Deal Makers Club, no Facebook Live, nothing can compare to the bonds that are going to be formed, the partnerships that are going to be formed, and the ability, the energy, the encouragement, the motivation. You're going to get everything that you need to get your first deal done fast here at the Mill and Mine building, November 6th through the 9th of 2019. It's called She Buys It Live, and I want you to go to shebuysitlive.com and get a ticket. First deal done fast, I'm calling you out. You need to be here with me November 6th through the 9th, 2019 for She Buys It Live. We used to call it FDDF Live. That was kind of confusing because we covered more than just houses. So, first deal done fast, you're ready. I know you're ready. Let's do this. Let's go big. Let's get together. Let's have some fun. And let's learn about getting a next deal done fast. Come on, girls. Go to shebuysitlive.com. Get your VIP ticket. And also, first deal done fast, y'all have watched me on hundreds of videos by now. Don't forget, when you get your ticket to shebuysitlive.com, go to shebuysitlive.com and get your ticket to She Buys It Live. Don't forget, you're going to get even more videos. You're going to get all the videos from the events that we did in 2017 and 2018. So whether you're ready for first deal done fast yet or not, go ahead and get your ticket to She Buys It Live, because you're going to get caught up on all the other events that we've had here in Knoxville for the last 2 years. Recordings are available. And I'll tell you too, when you get your ticket to She Buys It Live, I'm also going to give you the recordings of She Buys It Live 2019 uploaded into your login just as soon as we can get it ready. So if you don't think you're going to be able to make it to She Buys It Live, you just want the recordings, that's cool. Go to shebuysitlive.com and get those VIP tickets, because you never know when things could change, and you will be able to make it here to Knoxville, Tennessee, to the Mill and Mine building with all of the FDDF family. Yeah! I can't wait to see you. Go to shebuysitlive.com now and get your VIP ticket. Oh man, I'm gonna have to do something better about this.